In this video, we're going to be solving this question on logarithm. Now this question is really chaotic because if you look at this part of the question, you see that it has base 2. And then if you look at this part of the question, it has base 3. So we can't actually combine these two logarithms. Now, we're going to be solving it using two methods. And this first method I'm going to use now is very fascinating. Let's start. We have log x base 2 plus log x base 3 equals to 5. Now, we know that if you have log b base a, this can be written as log b divided by log a. So we're going to be applying this logic to this part of the question and then to this part of the question. So we have log x divided by log 2 plus log x divided by log 3 equals to 5. If you look at this, you see that we have log x here and log x here. So let's factor it out. We have log x. Now what will remain here is 1 over log 2 plus what will be left here is 1 over log 3. All of this will be equals to 5. So we have log x. Now the LCM of log 2 and log 3 is going to be equals to log 2 multiplied by log 3. And then log 2 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 2 will be left with log 3. Then plus this divided by this are going to be left with log 2. Then this will be equals to 5. And we have log x. Now log 3 plus log 2 can be combined as log 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then we have divided by log 2 multiplied by log 3. All of this will be equals to 5. So let's perform this multiplication. We're going to have log x multiplied by log 6 divided by log 2 multiplied by log 3. Then this will be equals to 5. Let's break these equations to be in this part. It's going to be this part multiplied by this part, then equal to 5. When we do that, we're going to have log x divided by log 2, then multiplied by log 6 divided by log 3, then equals to 5. Let's take this part of the equation to the right hand side. When we do that, we're going to have log x divided by log 2 equals to 5. Now notice that we have log 6 divided by log 3 here. When we take it to the right hand side, it's going to be equals to log 3 divided by log 6. It's just like dividing both sides of this equation by the inverse of this in order to cancel them out from this side. Now if you have log a divided by log b, this can be written as log a base b. So we're going to be applying this logic to this part of the equation and also this part of the equation. So we now have log x base 2 equals to 5 multiplied by log 3 base 6. And then solving for x, we have x is equals to 2 to the power of 5 log 3 base 6. We have 2 to the power of 5 log 3 base 6. Then we have that x is equals to, now this can be written as 2 to the power of 5, then multiplied by log 3 base 6. So we have x is equals to 2 to the power of 5 is 32. We have to the power of log 3 base 6. Now if you input this in your calculator, you see that x is approximately equals to 8.373, and then this is the answer to this question. Now let's solve it using the second method. Well, second method actually involves change of base. So we're going to have log x divided by log 2 plus log x divided by log 3 equals to 5. We're going to assign common base to all these logarithms. We can choose to assign either base 2 or base 3, so any one of them is correct. So let's assign base 2. So we have base 2 here, we have base 2 here, we have base 2 here, we have base 2 here. So we're going to have log x base 2 divided by log 2 base 2 is equals to 1, then plus we have log x base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 equals to 5. So let's factor out log x base 2. We're going to have log x base 2 will be left with 1 plus 1 divided by log 3 base 2 equals to 5. So we have log x base 2. Now let's find the LCM. The LCM here is log 3 base 2. So we have log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2 divided by 1 and then multiplied by 1 is equals to log 3 base 2. Then plus log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Then this is equals to 5. So you see that log x base 2 is going to be equals to, we're going to divide both sides by all of these. So if you do that, it's going to be equals to 5 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1 over log 3 base 2. Now we have log x base 2 is equals to, we're going to perform this operation 5 divided by all of these. If you do that, you're going to get 3.0657, and then finally x is now going to be equals to 2 to the power of 3.0657, which is approximately equals to 8.373. So as you can see, we got the same answer with the first method. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends, and also drop your comment. Have a great day.